Hello, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on AllChinaBuy, ACBuy. So first of all, there are different coupon types on ACBuy. Shipping discount coupons, these apply to international shipping fees after member discounts have been applied, and points. 100 points is equal to 1 RMB and can be used to deduct up to 10% of your delivery fee at checkout. So how to apply coupons? Log into your AllChinaBuy ACBuy account, navigate to My Account, then go to My Coupons to view available discounts. Shop and add items to your cart. Browse Taobao, Weidian, or other supported platforms via AllChinaBuy's import function. Proceed to submit items to the warehouse. Proceed to shipping order delivery phase. Once your items are in warehouse and you create a shipping order, you will get to a page with shipping fee breakdown. Apply coupons and points. Look for checkboxes or drop-downs for shipping coupon, points credit slider or field. Verify discount before payment. Ensure the shipping charge reflects both coupon and credit deduction. The final total should update accordingly. Pay for shipping. Finish by paying the discount shipping cost using your preferred method. Best practices and tips. Stack coupons if permitted. Use points strategically, only up to 10% of shipping costs, so saving bigger for the next use. Some recurring coupons appear only after the account activity. Watch for expiration. Community tips mention coupons expire quickly after issuance.